Hello, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Today I'm going to go over a little known feature of Outlook Web Access. Outlook Web Access is just a short name for um, getting access to your emails through the web. It's also known as OWA, and usually the URL is your domain slash OWA. So for example, for me, my domain is https://mail.pcsn.net/OWA. Now normally if you go into OWA, which I'm going to go over here, you will get your emails, your um, contacts, calendar entries, and all those items, similar to what you see in Outlook. Now, everybody knows how to get to your Outlook Web Access page, your OWA page, which is fine. The hidden part of this is what's called the Exchange Control Panel. So instead of using OWA, you can use your domain name /ECP, short for Exchange Control Panel. Now, once I go to ECP, you will notice some interesting things. First of all, you will see that you can control a lot of the different aspects that things that you have in Outlook that you normally don't see in Outlook Web Access. For example, you see your account settings. This is your account information. You can get your settings for POP or IMAP here. You can connect Outlook to this account. If your Exchange server is configured properly, this will automatically configure Outlook for you. You can also change your password. You can also do some other things here, like setting up your vacation messages. But that's not as interesting. What I want to talk about specifically today is how you can use the Exchange Control Panel to maintain your handheld devices. That's the second last in the list. So let's just go through the other options real quick. So we went over my account. You can also organize emails, basically set up rules, automatic replies, and delivery reports. You can configure all that for your Outlook Web Access. So these are things that you don't see in your regular Outlook Web Access page. You can also look at groups and even request that you be added to certain other groups. So when you go into groups, it will query the server, get a listing of groups that you belong to, and you can join other groups as well if needed. So the other thing you can look at is settings. You shouldn't have to change anything in settings unless you want to customize something. Basically customize how your messages are shown, customize what your calendar looks like, customize your signature, things like that. Also, you can personalize your regional settings, your time zones and language and those kind of things. But the best part is the phone, which I'm going to go into last. In the block and allow is basically your junk email settings. If you are using Exchange Online, then these settings are really a good place where you can control your spam filtering quality, so you can make it tighter or looser how you want to do it. Best option in an Exchange Control Panel is that you can maintain your handhelds. Basically, any device that connects with Microsoft ActiveSync can be controlled from here. As you can see, some very powerful features here. First of all, you can see your last sync time. So I have an iPhone and it will not show the number. Now, if it was a Windows mobile phone, it will show the number, but it will work with any device that connects with ActiveSync. So you will see your iPhones if you have it synced up to Exchange. You will see your Android-based phones. You will see your iPad. You will see your Windows mobile-based phones. What you will not see here are BlackBerry devices because BlackBerry does not use Exchange ActiveSync. So the status is okay over here. You can start logging. So uh, uh, I normally will not say you start logging just to log all the syncs going on with your phone, because that's just going to generate more traffic. The reason the logging option is there is it helps in troubleshooting issues. So you should probably only do logging if you're trying to troubleshoot something. Um, and if you have an iPad and an iPhone, then you will see both devices listed over here, and you will see the status for both of them. Now, if you have multiple devices, you'll be able to select a device, and let's say if you lost your iPhone somewhere, you can select it and then simply click on Wipe Device. So this will wipe the device remotely, so it's a very good security feature. If you do lose your phone or you do lose your iPad, you can remotely wipe it from here. You can also go into details and get the details of your phone. For example, the device ID. This is a unique device ID that is tied to that handheld device. So if you need to find out the device ID for maybe law enforcement purposes or whatever, you can find out from here, even if you don't have the phone in your hand. So this is a very helpful and a little known feature in Exchange that you can use. There's also text messaging options, which is you can enable SMS messages to be sent to your phone. So every time you get an email, it can send you a text message, which is really I don't think is needed because ActiveSync itself has very good push technology. So you shouldn't need to enable text messaging. But if there is a need that you have to do that, then that's certainly an option. So that's it for today, and the URL again is going to be your domain name /ECP for Exchange Control Panel. So if you lose a device, go into your Exchange Control Panel and simply wipe the device from here. And there you have it. Have a good day.